Cheers Queens! Welcome back to Life with Loki, and today let's talk about the Hermès shopping experience at Paris CDG Airport and the million-dollar question if I scored again. I know I lucked out a few times on my entire Paris trip and we are almost towards the end of the vacation, and of course why wouldn't Loki also go shopping at the Hermès boutique at the airport? Well, if you're new here and wondering who is Loki and what's going on, well, hello, my name is Loki and I love chit-chatting and sharing with you my experience in the luxury world, from bargain hunting, luxury to pre-love, and of course brand new finds. And most importantly, Hermès. I have a small obsession of the brand, so yeah, I may go on and on about it sometimes. Well, if you love content like this and would love to support a small YouTuber like myself, then help my channel grow and do click that subscribe button and join my corner. I believe in the complex world of the YouTube algorithm, I can reach out to a wider luxury audience eventually. So back to my Hermès airport experience at CDG, and more specifically at the CDG Terminal 2E, the boutique is really easy to find. So right after you check in, then go through that baggage scanner thing, we can literally see Hermès ahead with Cartier, Chanel, Dior and Louis Vuitton. I was there around midday and I think they were really short-staffed. I must say that the airport boutique is very small. So when you step in, you have a table display of silks and scarves, and to the left is the fine jewelry and some beach items and pillows and throws. To the right, we have the cashier and some perfumes. Now, there is a divider behind the scarves, and if you look around that, you have more homeware and men's on the back left, some ladies ready-to-wear and small leather goods on the back right, and further into the right, there is a corner for shoes and belts. So easy as it looks, you can literally see the most of the SAs were busy. From memory, one was serving a customer in the jewelry section and another in the shoes section. I saw another customer patiently waiting his turn, standing by the cashier. So I decided to just take a walk through the store and explore the store by myself. Well, the Hermès boutique at the airport apparently does not share inventory with the other Hermès stores, as it is considered a franchise outlet. However, I must say, it was quite sufficient in a small floor space. I was still bent on getting my shoes, a belt and an SLG, and just, casually walk around to check out the store. I managed to get some footage of the shoes and belts and bits and pieces of the store. Well, shortly after, I was approached by a lovely sales associate who spoke amazing English. So I went ahead to ask about the shoes first. So apparently, I'm a size 36.5. And the new thing I learned was that the SA says that they don't actually receive half sizes at the airport boutique. Well, they had a size 37, which is exactly what they had at Sephres. So it didn't fit me. Belt-wise, I think I must be after an old model, but it's been sold or is out of stock. The sales associate was really helpful though, and you can see it in her energy and tone. She was very willing to help. And of course, before, when I was walking around the store, I saw another lady being presented a picotin in 18 in palladium hardware in black, and she must have been so lucky. So I decided to try my luck and ask about the Kelly Birkin or a Constance bag or even a mini Lindy, and the SA said they actually don't receive Quota Bags like the Kelly or Birkin. Oh well, it's okay because I already have one. But I managed to pick up a little something, which is actually a gift for my sister. What do you think it is? Well, I have been hunting for this in this exact size and color and hardware across the other 3 boutiques in Paris, but have been unsuccessful. So this is really lucky because it is the last piece in this color my sister wanted. Well, it doesn't come with the receipt in the cardboard, the cardboard card with the Hermès embossed print, but overall it looks pretty much like how I would have received it at the Hermès boutique. And now, are you ready? I'll take a while, but do you want to guess what I got? it. So it comes in this little pouch. I mean, you can already guess, right? Look at the size. Presenting to you a gorgeous CDC in Go Hardware in the extra small size. So gorgeous. I love it. I never knew something so simple like this was so hard to get at the Hermès boutique. So I was kind of lucky I managed to bag at least one of the 3 items I was hoping to score. Okay, so I decided to do a try-on section so my sister would know how to use this bracelet when she receives it. And of course, it will be useful if you're also small wrist like myself and wondering which size you should go for. So let's just look at the we'll just remove that. So as you know, we have like the loop part here and like 4 iconic spikes, and I believe this is in the box cuff leather, and behind you have 4 of these where it is adjustable, and basically this part, this is basically that it is movable. So we will try to remove this out from there, and that's how you adjust it. So the first one will give you the widest circumference, and then of course as you move down this part you would have it way narrower, which is really quite tiny. So my wrist is really small, and I would assume she is the same size as me. On the flip side, you can see that the leather is more like caramel color. So we have Hermès Paris made in France there. And on one of the corners over here, you can see the size is in XS. So that's extra small. Alright, so let's try to put it on. So I'm really skinny, really small wrist. And just hang on, we're gonna be out of frame for a while. Okay, so I figured I'm actually quite tiny, so I went the 3rd last one, which is really small, and you can see it fits so well on my wrist. It's a little bit chunky, but that's what my sister wants, so we got it for her. Isn't it beautiful? And of course, after you've done that, you can actually slide this part back across, so then that secures the CDC bracelet. So I hope this helps. There you go. I am overall very satisfied with my shopping experience and my lucky score at the Paris Chaduga boutique. And of course, we do know a little more about the bag stocks and about shoe sizes. So if you're planning to grab a few items from the Hermès Chaduga boutique in Terminal 2E, they do have stocks but very limited. And yes, they do have some bags as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video and my little unboxing, and do stay tuned because next week it is gonna be juicy, really juicy. I actually turned down a bag at Hermès, so you won't want to miss that. And do remember to subscribe if you haven't and hit that bell to show some support. Take care, queens!